Alright, I got in a new frame. It's the SPC Maker C120. There's also a bind and fly version of this, but I just got the frame because I had some old electronics lying around, which I think I can throw into this, which I think will work. And this is designed for 2.5-inch props. And here's the bottom plate. It's 3 millimeters. Nice quality. It's painted around the edges. It's quite strong to me. And then there's the top plate. I think it's 1.5 mil, and then there's the front camera protection, and that is 2 mil. So hardware looks pretty nice. Let me build this thing up and see how it goes together. So there you go. Can you read that? 22.2 grams, all built up with all the hardware. So I think that's not bad at all. Okay, so here we go. Got it all built up. Got the electronics installed, and yeah, I like this frame. It's nice and stiff.
Hey, Mike, that sounds like a cue for a really dirty joke, doesn't it? Shut up, Rick.
So let's see, I've got the Micro Sparrow 2, which you've seen in previous videos. This flight stack is actually from an old Ishin Lizard 95. That's where that's from, so it's about a year old. And let's see, these motors are HGLRC 1105 6000 kV. Gonna try this on 3S with these 2540 batteries. I think you can probably imagine what kind of performance to expect. Let's see, what else is of interest. And I'm gonna try it with this GNB 3S 550. We'll see how that goes. So all built up, no battery. It is coming in at 79.5 grams. It says 79.5. It's about 80 grams. And then with the battery, 3S 550, it's up to 129. So let's just say 130 grams. So not too bad. Okay, let's enjoy some DVR footage. And the first thing you'll notice when I take off is that there's quite a lot of video noise in this system. So I'll probably try installing maybe some low ESR caps, see if I can clean some of this up. If that doesn't work, maybe try moving the VTX. It's a VTX 03. So we'll see. So if I can clean this up, I'll definitely make a follow-up video. But anyway, the subject of this is the C120 frame, and here it is on a 3S 6000 kV setup. Performing nicely. I think probably a little bit better on 4S and 4500 kV motors like that SkyStar's X120, but this is the gear that I had lying around to put into it. So that's what I did, and I'm very happy with it. But down the road I might try 4500 kV because I also have a lot of small 4S batteries. But this is performing great. Yeah, the frame I think is very good. It's light and it's strong and has very good camera protection. Everything went together really well. And so I think it's a good 2.5-inch frame for flying 3S or 4S. So I'll let the rest of this flight play out. Enjoy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Oh, did you see that? That was my first attempt at an inverted yaw spin. What a horrible mess.